Welcome. In this video I will present the best settings for night mode on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. First of all, for the best results, you should either use a stable surface where you can place your phone and then set a timer, or if you cannot, you can use a tripod for your night mode photo. But I will show you how to avoid this kind of complications. First of all, open camera. If your camera lens is dirty, you will be notified at the top of your screen. In such case, use either a microfiber cloth or just some soft cloth to wipe the surface of your camera. Select the night mode and then tap the down arrow button here. And now, if you don't have any tripod or stable surface to place your phone at, enable Grid option to see how your phone is stabilized, to see if it's stabilized. If you don't have a tripod but you have a stable surface, select a timer option and then set it to, for example, 10 seconds so that you can be prepared for taking a photo. You can adjust the resolution to your needs. It's completely up to you. And avoid applying any additional color filters or effects during capture, as night mode processing already optimizes exposure, noise reduction, and color correction itself. So let's go to more settings and see what we can change here. First of all, let's also use level if you don't have a tripod. Let's scroll down and select Ultra XDR. If you want to enhance your image quality, enable this option, and basically everything else should stay this way, unless you want to change the storage location. Okay, and now let's change preset for our photo. So let's create a new preset. Let's add a name, night mode. But basically we only have to want to make one adjustment here. So rear lens mode night, and the length should be 24 millimeters. It's the best length for night mode captures. And yeah, we can also enable Grid here. And do not apply any filter. Leave the original filter, then save this preset. And let's move it to the top so we can easily access it. Okay, and so now I'm gonna test all of these three modes. So I'm gonna take one shot of this artificial flower with the original photo mode. Then to compare, I will take a shot with a night mode with a regular one. And then I will also tap right here and enable our night mode filter, and we'll see the difference in our photo results. So I'm gonna return to you in a moment. Okay, and now let's take a look at the results. So this photo you see in front of you is taken using the original photo mode. As you can see, it's quite blurry, it's too soft. We don't see much details here, though honestly it will be the problem for the rest of the photos. Just look at the textures here. We can see how blurry this is, how this object is basically barely visible. It's like it's like the lens is dirty, though I'm pretty sure they are all clean. Oh, and yeah, all these photos were made on a stable surface, so camera wasn't moving during the picture taken. This is the second photo. Well, comparing to the first one is slightly more blurry. Here we can see some better textures, and still they're pretty similar to each other. So the first and the second photo, you can see that not many things changed really. And this is the photo with the filter that we created, in which we only changed the lens option. And as you can see, comparing the textures quality in this photo to, for example, this one, which is the night mode, regular night mode. This one is much better. It has much better details, clarity. Yeah, so the background is still pretty dark here, but it's just I just tested it in basically like the extreme environment. So the place where this photo is taken is basically too dark, but generally speaking, if you create this simple filter to take your photos and will use all the other tips that I shared with you in this video, you will get the best night mode photo results on your smartphone. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.